Hey everybody, Mr. Rubo here. Today we're going to talk about simplifying rational exponents. So before we get into that though, we're going to do a little bit of review of just nomenclature, if you will. So if we have a root, in case we have an nth root here, so this we would call the index, and this is still the power, okay? So you'll see me talk about the index and then sometimes throw in the power. So the first thing we're going to look at is when we have what a rational exponent actually is. So rational means you can write it as a fraction. So something like this, where x is to some fractional power, and we're going to start where the numerator is 1, and then we'll switch it up in a second. But this is the same as saying the nth root of x. So it's the denominator is your index. Okay, so let's just see a couple examples here. So if you see 100 to the 1/2 power, that's really telling you, oh, take the square root of 100. The square root, we don't have to write the 2. We can if we want. Square root of 100, we do know, is 10. Okay, looks similar. Let's say it's 1/3 is our power, so then it'd be the cube root of 8. 8 to the 1/3 is the cube root of 8, which is 2. Okay, so that's when we have just 1 over some number. 1 over some number, we can switch it to a root, and we can hopefully simplify that root. So now let's make it a little trickier, and let's say we have, ooh, that was ugly, but let's say it's m over n is our power. So x to the m over n. So here we can use our exponent rules and break this up to x to the 1 over n to the m, which is the same as doing the nth root of x raised to the power m. So technically we can actually do it in either order. So I could also say this is equal to the nth root of x to the m. Usually though, doing the root first will make our lives easier because it'll make the number smaller, and then we're raising it to the power. So we're usually going to stick with this method, this one right here. Okay, so let's see a couple examples here, and then we'll be good for today. So 27 to the 2/3 is really the same as cube root of 27, all raised to the second power. Simplify cube root of 27, which is 3, and then 3 squared is 9. So our answer there is 9. Okay. Same thing here, 16 to the 3/4. We're going to do the 4th root of 16, which we'll talk about that in a second, but and then raise it to the 3rd. 4th root of 16, well, 16 is 2 to the 4th. Those would cancel, so you'd end up with 2 to the 3rd. 2 to the 3rd is 8. Okay. So yeah, these are the rational exponents. When you see them, break it up so it's 1 over n, and then the m on the outside. Okay, because then we can do the root and then the power. All right. So thanks for watching, and have a good day.